Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you one of my hauls from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona in the middle of September. And if you watched any of my previous videos, you will know I've mentioned that the ton stamps are one of my favorite stamps vendors that come to the expo. I have a few of them, and so let's just start. They are a sponsor of the expo, so they do a make and take, and this was the make and take. The make and take was the stencils, and then they do sell the die separately. You could buy the die separately to cut it out, so I'm lazy like that, of course, so I bought the die so I could cut it out. I haven't had a chance to put it on an A2 size card yet, but it does come with instructions. You will need 2 pink inks and 1 green and 1 black, and it should come out like that. And here's the instructions. If you've ever worked with their stencils, you will... they're so easy, and the presentation is awesome. It looks like you did lots of work on this. Yep. So, and then it included a sentiment, the make and take. And one thing about her stamps is her stencils. They are all etched with the name of the stencil, and you probably can't see it because it, but you can see that there are words up there. And then it also has the number. So it's the first stencil, the second stencil, and the third stencil. And then it also says light pink on the stencil, mid-tone pink, and then it says, green foliage and the black circles. So it's very helpful, so easy to follow the instructions. And so I ended up buying the die, like I said, since I got the stencil, I could reuse it. The size of it is perfect, because you could do smaller size cards, bigger cards. It does not matter. And then, let's see what else. My daughter did some make and takes with Effie and her sister and her mom. And these are the make and takes that she did. Look at how pretty. And my daughter is not a crafter at all, but she likes these because it makes her, it makes her look good when she does these. But yeah, and so this I have, I already have this stencil set, and I do have the die, so I'm going to cut it out and we'll put it on a card here. And then I bought this stencil and the die, so I'm still going to cut this out. Let me show you. Yeah, so here's the stencil in the packaging, and then the die. So I'll cut that out, and then we'll assemble a card here. But I'll share what else I got with you. I like these kinds of sentiments where you can stamp the whole thing out and run it through your die cut and just cut them all out at one time. I like that kind of, yeah. So I've been looking for more of these. I know that everybody sells a lot of them, but I can't buy all of them. But just like try to get a set at a time. Yeah. So I got those, and then I also picked up, too bad there's not pictures, but I'll do a video of these. But can you see the pumpkins? They're the taller layered round pumpkins. She has ones that are more slimmer and taller. These are like fatter. They're the round pumpkin stencil. And of course I got the die. And then the last thing I got was the big iris. I think this is, yeah, the jumbo iris. And this one has a picture. Look how pretty that is. And the die. So I'll be right back. Let me go cut these out with my die machine, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did cut them out. And there's the rose ones. Look at how pretty it came out. So pretty. Okay, let me get rid of this. And let me get some cardstock and some background and a sentiment. So I have some ton background dies as well that I purchased in previous years. And I already have some cut out. So I might just use one of these and put it on an A2 size card base. Yeah, what do we think about those? I think I like it. That's one thing about these. Because the flowers are so dramatic, it's easy, you know, it's easy. It's easy. So that, and then I just need a sentiment. And I have a box of sentiments that I stamp out every once in a while and cut. So let's make... what kind of card? Birthday card. Thank you. Hello with sympathy. Cheers to you. Have an awesome birthday. Happy birthday. Best wishes. I think we're going with happy birthday on one of them. And cheers to you on the other. Or best wishes. I guess best wishes. We'll do best wishes. Happy birthday and best wishes. Okay, let me get the cardstock. Okay, so there you go. Both of them are done. See how easy that was assembling the card? Although you didn't see me stencil it, it's very easy. I will do some stenciling with some of the other new ones that I've purchased. Maybe I'll redo this one since I didn't get a chance to do it. Like I said, my daughter did these make and takes, so yeah, but look at how beautiful these cards come out. So I hope you are having a crafty day. I hope you found inspiration in these. I will leave the link to the 10 stamps in my description box below. You can go check them out. Tell Effie I sent you. For more inspiration like this, see here. Until my next video, shakas!